Purpose or passion? Are you fostering the right one? How do you know? Passion fuels the dream, but does it actually build the future? Or does something else carry the real power? Today, we're settling the ancient debate. Passion versus purpose. Which one wins? Because if there's one drumbeat echoing throughout the entrepreneurial sphere these days, it's find your passion, right? That constant blanket advice. Well, here's the case for passion, because we do hear it all the time. Follow your passion. It's exciting. It's emotional. It's the one thing that lights you up. And yeah, passion feels incredible. It's the spark that gets us moving. But here's the problem. Passion by itself is like a car with no GPS. It goes fast, but where? Without direction, passion becomes frustration. And let's be honest, passion without purpose is just drama. Now, purpose is different. Purpose is bigger than passion. It's the why behind what you do. It's what keeps you going long after all the excitement fades. Passion asks, what do I love? Purpose asks, how do I serve? Passion fades when things get hard. Purpose keeps showing up. And when you lock in your purpose, passion follows. That's the secret. Passion without purpose is just noise. But passion with purpose, that's impact. Purpose wins every time. So don't just chase what excites you. Align with something bigger. Because in the battle of purpose versus passion, purpose wins, always. Now, tell me in the comments below, what is your purpose? Drop it in the comments and let's have a conversation. And if you got an extra 4 minutes on your hands on this very busy day, we invite you to stay tuned for our next episode. Push, pull, prosper. Let's find out what that's about.